Okay, so we're going to take out all 4 OEM bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's pretty easy. An air gun, but you can use an impact wrench or just a regular wrench. Keep these and retain these, so you will need these for reinstallation of Smittybilt ones. There you go, 1 OEM crappy skid plate. Yeah. Unboxing our skid plate here. Again, this is the Smittybilt transfer case skid number 76920. Hardware packet. Let's hope we're not missing anything. Nice powder coat, very, very heavy duty, much heavier than the one I just pulled off the Jeep. So you get what you pay for with this guy. It's very inexpensive, but a very good way to save your Jeep some extra damage. Go. Okay, and also because we're doing the transmission skid plate as well as the transfer case skid plate, you've got to take out this bolt here, OEM, this bolt, and this bolt here. This is just again your factory OEM crap coming off to make room for the new Smittybilt stuff. And retain these and keep these, because you'll need them again. And if you're over 6 foot, I'm like 6'3", probably should put the Jeep up a little bit higher. There we go, another one down. And now we're ready to install our Smittybilt skids. And now we're using the other washer provided to go underneath. This guy. Alright, so I got the 2 up here for now, holding this thing in. Then when we go to actually put in the oil pan or transfer case skid, we'll go across here and go underneath. This guy. Top of this one, then we'll put the bolts in afterwards. Okay, now we're opening up the transmission skid box here. Again, part number is Smittybilt 76922. Got your spacer, metal spacer kit right here, hardware looks like. Package, powder coat's nice, no scrapes, no scratches, very nicely done, and heavy as hell. This will not only weigh your Jeep down, but protect the heck out of it in all those vulnerable areas. Okay, so with the help of a friend, you want to get those bolts up and top there. That's going to be your first hole in the frame mounting, just off the motor mount there almost. Bringing this down over here, and then you're going to hook it up here and here. It's still open, so you can lift that up. Those are your retaining ones. These are all loose. I will tighten them up once I get everything nice and put where I want. But there you go, so far so good. Almost done. Okay, so now I'm going to secure these guys. I'm going to leave this one for now. This is the one that we put in from Smittybilt. That's an extra bolt they gave us with the little plate with the nut. So we'll tighten these ones up first here. Got these three main ones tightened down. I'll do this last one here to make sure these guys back here are still tight. And then we'll move on to it. And the final bolt over here. There we go. Okay, so everything now is tight. The last remaining bolts are going to be the 4 up here, holding this bad boy just around the oil pan. Going up there into the motor mount there, the frame rails there. Tighten those all up, and that should be it. And you can see over here to get into these guys. Right up here it's a little hard. I had to twist my gun around. You're using a 3/4 French 18 mil socket, and then get on that. Nice and tight. There we go. Anywhere, and then we'll move on to the driver's side as well. All right, here's the driver's side. Same thing applies. So you're gonna get your wrench up in here. Go top the control arm. Wrench up top here. go. So we're good there. Just want to show you guys how to get up in there. That's it for that side. Now the only remainder is going to take it down over here. We're going to tighten up the arms down to the actual plate itself. All right, here we go. We're doing the passenger side now. Come to the front. Drill here. Get it on there. Get your wrench on there. Now with the driver's side, there we go. A little bit of doing, you can get it. Yep, she is tight. Alright, so these are the Smittybilt skid plates. Done the transmission and transfer. I do have one small mod to make. I did buy from Hard Rock, or Rock Hard, sorry. These right here, I bought the actual bolt savers, but I forgot to bring them. So I will put those on eventually. I'll do a quick picture and video of that when I get them done. But there you go, that's the underbody. Just got to add on the oil door, and that's it. All right, and now the door is on. Just make sure, of course, that you put the little bracket on the inside, just in case someone doesn't know. You don't want that thing to be scraping and pulling the door off. Pretty simple stuff. Well, it took a long time to actually edit this video, so by the time I was ready to edit the video, I'd actually already put in my Rock Hard bolt savers. So I put some pictures up and installed them. So you know what? Here they are. This is what they look like. They work awesome. Lets you slide over stuff without destroying the heads of your bolts. So if you ever need to take them off, you can. All right, there we go.